to know what my technique is. But she didn't ask who my teacher is. So then, I haven't told her. But still, even if I did, I doubt she'd believe me. Because my teacher is the movies. Everything I know, I learned from the movies. And that way, I can learn and enjoy myself. Every movie I see, I learn a bit more. I know them all. Dragon Fist, Tiger Fist, Drunken Fist, Cat Fist, Rooster and Duck Fist. I know them all learned from the movies. Whatever they show, I learn every one. As it is, I'm not too bad. Maybe I could fight better than some of the actors. Some of them aren't all that good. I'm better. Yeah. Su-Ling says I'm not bad looking. Still, she's never seen me in a kung fu costume, like in the movies. I reckon I'd look real good. Yeah, I was lucky. I might get a break. Be a big star. Perhaps even as big as Bruce Lee was. Just think, I could earn a fortune. Think about that. That'd shake 'em all, huh?